Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for coming to my channel, Nemedia Digital. This video is going to be a brief introduction about my channel and myself. My name is Bilal Khurshid. I'm living in UAE for the last 3 years and I'm running a family business over here. And that I'm busy in living my hobbies, doing what I love. Not yet so established, but inshallah one day I will be. So in this channel, Nemedia Details, I'll be covering tutorials, all entrepreneurship, application reviews, software reviews, and all those things. Or inshallah, it will be a great video, great channel, inshallah. My earlier plan with this channel was to primarily focus on my business, my not my primary business, but all services I provide as a freelancer, like virtual assistant, digital marketer, e-commerce builder, website designer. These are my service I provide as a freelancer. So now I'm in the phase of going step ahead. So I thought, why not start this channel in which I cover my brand, my business, online entrepreneurship business. So in that process, I received an message from a very recent guy, few people, which came from a group I joined on Facebook, which requested me to please guide them regarding e-commerce and other tutorial stuff. So I thought, not why this channel should be primarily benefiting me. If I can help all the community, all those beautiful people out there with knowledge I have, I gain in 3 years struggling life. It's really an honor for me if I can provide that knowledge, that skill to you guys for free. I know the time I was in a process of gaining skills or developing myself in order to proceed my hobby business as online entrepreneurship. The struggle I went through in order to find good tutorials, good things, or finding the right knowledge, right people, right influence who can guide me to the in a very good way. It was very hard. It was never free of cost, and if all you who are there, who is in this business, they know that no one help you in, like, they live after a sentence that quote that there's nothing such as free lunch. So same thing goes everywhere. But after receiving the request from that decent guy, I thought, why not I share my knowledge with you guys. So inshallah there will be a good content on this video. So my next tutorial, which will be coming inshallah in 2 or 3 days, my first video. I have made a video before, but it was a few months back. But after all that coronavirus and what happening in China, may Allah bless them with health and Allah unki mushkil hal kare. But now I'm making all the tutorial from scratch, covering few other things as well. So next video is going to be all about Shopify e-commerce building store. First, in this tutorial, which inshallah coming in 2 or 3 days, I'll be covering mainly tutorial regarding building e-commerce store, not the business model that I'm going to explain later on, that is drop shipping or other e-commerce, the things you can do with e-commerce store. Inshallah, stay tuned. It will be benefit for you, both for me and for you as well. And that if you want my services as a virtual assistant or any service you want, you can click on the website link in the description below, or you can follow my Facebook page. I'm going to link that as well in the description below, along with Instagram. So inshallah we'll have a great time. It will be a channel which will benefit not just myself but you as well. My all tutorials will be free of cost. It was just for those who want to do something in their life, who want to achieve something in their life, and they are looking for help. It will be free of cost. I'm not going to do all that cheap sale or selling your tutorials on that. The knowledge I have, inshallah it will be honor for me to provide you fair with all knowledge I have. So inshallah, I'll see you in the tutorial. Till then, take a very good care of yourselves, and till then, Allah Hafiz.